Okay, here's the financial part of paper 1, 2023, and here we go. They say that if this person invests 18,500 Rand at an interest rate compounded monthly for 6 months. So you just put it into the interest formula, compound interest formula. They say it grows to 19,319 and 48 cents. Well, there's your formula. You just have to solve it. What do? You divide by the 18,500. You take the sixth root, so you'll make that sixth power go away. You take away the 1, and then you'll be leaving this by itself. You take away 1, and then you multiply it by 12. When you do that in your calculator, it comes out to a perfect. They pick these numbers just right so that the interest rate is 0.087, which is 8.7%. And that's 8.7%. That's the answer. That's what I got in my calculator. And then I know it's right because they talk about 8.7% later on. What's the effective interest rate? It's 1 year's worth of interest, 1 plus 0.087 over 12 to the 12 months, minus 1. And I get 0.0905. Well, it just gets rounded up to, well, it's 9%, but 9.06% to the nearest hundredth. Okay, there it is. I put it in my calculator, and that's what I got. Let's take a look at the next question. They said there's straight line depreciation on 10,000. It starts losing value at 20%. How long would it take for it to disappear completely, become zero? How long would it take for 10,000 to turn into nothing? Well, it's straight line, which means it's not there's no exponent here, not reducing balance. So it's 1 minus I times n. There's your I, 0.2. You just solve it. 10,000 times 1, 10,000 times 0.2 is 2,000. Add the 2,000 in over here, divide by 2,000. Hey, it's 5 years. 5 years. Now, this person says, I'm going to buy a laptop. I need to save for a laptop. That's future value. It's going to be 20,000 Rand there in the future. And then you just put it into the formula. There's your payment that you're trying to figure out. It's 1 plus, hey, and they said the same 0.087. That makes me feel like I got it right. 0.087 divided by 12. And they even tell you in the story that he makes exactly 60 payments. It's the first year they haven't tried to trick you with a weird month or a leap year or something. Anyways, it's 60 payments. That's what he's making. So you put 60 in there, minus 1. And then you divide it by the I, just like the formula tells you, which is 0.087 divided by 12. You just put that in your calculator, go 20,000, and I just divide by this, and I get the answer. He's going to make payments for those 60 payments of 267 Rand and 26 cents. And it kind of makes sense. I mean, 60 payments of 200 is 20,000 Rand. It's like a reasonable answer. Okay, we'll do the last question in another video.